How long should chicken be boiled before frying it?
In this video, we will discuss how long you should boil chicken before frying it to ensure a tender and juicy result. This method is perfect for fried chicken recipes that require pre-cooking, such as Southern-style or Korean-style fried chicken.
Why boil chicken before frying?
Boiling chicken before frying is a common technique used to tenderize the meat and lock in moisture. It helps prevent the chicken from drying out during frying and results in a juicy and tender piece of meat with a crispy coating.
How long should chicken be boiled?
To achieve perfectly tender chicken, you should boil it for 20 to 30 minutes. The exact time will depend on the size and thickness of the chicken pieces. It's important to ensure the chicken is cooked through to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, to avoid foodborne illnesses.
How to boil chicken properly?
1. Prepare the chicken. Remove excess fat and skin from the chicken pieces, then rinse and pat dry. 2. Season the water. Fill a large pot with enough water to cover the chicken pieces completely. Add seasonings such as salt, black pepper, garlic, and herbs to enhance the flavor of the chicken. 3. Boil the chicken. Place the chicken pieces in the pot and bring the water to a rolling boil. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 4. Drain and cool. Remove the chicken from the pot and place it on a wire rack to drain and cool down for about 10 minutes before frying.
Frying the boiled chicken.
1. Prepare the coating. Create a coating mixture using your preferred recipe, such as seasoned flour or breadcrumbs. 2. Dip the chicken. Dip the cooled chicken pieces in the coating mixture, ensuring they are fully covered. 3. Heat the oil. Heat the frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, in a deep fryer or heavy-bottomed pan. 4. Fry the chicken. Carefully place the coated chicken pieces in the hot oil and fry for 8 to 12 minutes, turning occasionally until they are golden brown and crispy. 5. Drain and serve. Remove the fried chicken from the oil and place it on a wire rack or paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve hot and enjoy. Now you know that boiling chicken for 20 to 30 minutes before frying is the key to achieving tender and juicy meat. Following this method will help you create delicious fried chicken dishes that are sure to impress your family and friends. Happy cooking!